Hey guys, welcome back again. So today we'll be making fish ogbono soup with kale. Mackerel fish ogbono soup with kale. That's what we are making today. So let's go over to see the ingredients. So it's Maggi, grinded pepper, then crayfish, oil, Ogiri-okpei, kale, and then the mackerel fish itself. So put in oil in a pot, low heat. So you see the oil is actually blocked, so I'm gonna use the low heat to dissolve the oil. So I'll keep stirring the oil so that it can all melt away. Keep stirring, 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 stirring. Then the next thing I'm going to put is my Maggi, because I hid the Maggi. I actually broke it into pieces with my mortar and pestle. So I put in the powdered Maggi inside the oil. So that's the powdered Maggi. So I'm gonna stir it, stir, 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 stir. I'll keep stirring it till it's not seen again. Then the next thing I'm gonna put is Ogbono. So I'm so sorry I didn't show you the Ogbono. That's the Ogbono. I put the Ogbono inside. So you put in the Ogbono inside, and then you stir it. You stir. You keep stirring. You keep stirring. You keep stirring and stirring till it's mixed all up. So after stirring it, you'd have to cover it up to cook a little bit. So that's what I did. I covered it up to cook a little bit, and then you can see it. Yeah. So the next thing I'm putting is the Ogiri-okpei, because I melted it in water. Yeah. And then so I stirred it in. You keep stirring in, stirring in. I stirred it in. Normally you blend it together with the ogbono, but we did not. So So the next thing I'm pouring is the fish water inside, because that's what I'm using to make the fish ogbono soup. So I put in the fish water inside. You can see. You try as much as possible not to put so much water so it doesn't, overflow. Then this is how it is. It's thick. It's really, really thick. So I had to add in extra water inside, because I don't want my ogbono to be very, very, very thick. So you stir and stir and stir. So I'm gonna show you the consistency, how it should look. So you allow it cook a little bit, and then that is how it is right now. You see, it's not watery, it's drawy. That's how ogbono should look. Well, most people want theirs very thick, depending, but this is how I like my own consistency. So that is it. Then the next thing I'm gonna try to put inside here is pepper, the blended pepper. So that's a powdered pepper. I put it inside your ogbono. So next thing I'm gonna put is my crayfish after putting the pepper. So that's my crayfish inside. So put in the crayfish, and then I'm gonna stir the soup, stirring, stirring, trying like scrape out the edges of the pepper, the crayfish, and things like that. So that's basically it. And then the next thing I'm gonna put now is my kale. So putting my kale inside there. Putting my kale. I like having a lot of veggies in my food, so that's why I kept putting a lot of kale inside there. So I kept putting my kale and I stirred it. Try to mix it in. So try to put in the kale when the soup, the ogbono, is cooked very well. So the kale is the last thing you put, and then my mackerel fish already cooked. So I cooked my mackerel fish, I put it inside and I stirred. So I put in extra Maggi because I tasted it and it needed some extra pieces of Maggi. So I just put in an extra inside. I put in like two. Yeah, two did the trick for me. So that's it, guys. That's Ogbono soup done. So I hope you enjoyed this channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and I'll be bringing more soups to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all. Bye.